I'm going to find out if 50 millimeters of rock wool is enough for Nordic winter. Good morning, and today I'm going to start insulating my van with this 50 millimeter rock wool, and we are starting from the right side where is sliding door. First I'm going to cut it on the shapes and start filling it to lower section of the wall, and when we are moving on the up on the next section, I'm going to use a little bit bison adhesive glue for surface of the rock wool and the same time on the wall. So I can just place it on after 10 minutes and it will stick on the wall. And when I have stuffed every corner and every place that I can fit the rock wool, I'm going to cover it with the wall. And in the previous video I did cover how I did glue the base cloth on the bridge plywood. So yeah, let's get into the video and hope you like it. Okay, let's do a little change of plans. I was first about to make this whole area, cover it with this plywood and the base foam, but then I realized maybe I should cover these edges first with the base cloth, so I don't have to remove this section later on this spring. So yeah, let's do it a little bit different this time. I'm going to remove this panel and start fitting the base cloth here if I have enough the base cloth. So yeah, let's do that next. Thank you. Thank me. What the hell? No idea. Sulla on tässä tämmönen hyvä vaatekoukku tässä puukossa. Sepä varmaan on nyt siinä sitten. Tuosta vielä. Joo. Tämähän näyttää nyt ihan ikkunalta. It's always good thing to remember. You should test out every light and every fan you are installing your van or boat or any 12, 24, 48 volt systems, because sometimes when you install it, it's really hard to get out if you need to change, like example of fan or light. And here I have connected straight to the battery this 12 volt LED light. And as we can see, it works well. Next, I'm going to test if the fan works. This can be little bit problematic because I do not have these on both ends, but like we have this plus cable one. But let's see. I hope it works. This. Then we open the manual. Yes. Then we take the battery. Minus and the plus. Then wow, it works. That was the first, like, slow one, and this is the fast one. I think we are out of battery because nothing happens. Yeah, it barely runs with the slow setup, but that's good for us because now we know it works. So, battery did run out of power. On nyt niin paljon vaan joka kohdasta. Ja tämä kaikki silppu mitä jääpi, niin voi kaikkiin väleihin työntää mitä tästä autosta löytyy. Haluatteko katsoa mitä sillä kamerassa näkyy tässä päällä? Next, what I'm going to do is install first section of the roof, and I have already installed the light. I'm using 12 volt 50 Hz LED lamp on the build because I'm going to connect the electricity before inverter, so I can save as much power as possible when I use these lights without inverter. And what I have here is something I haven't tried before, but basically we can lift the roof section much easier. Now we have done the first lamp and the backside of the van. Next we are going to do the front panel, and we have the lifter already, and I did already wire these small wires. I filmed it, but I'm not sure if it did get done. And I did wire them behind this top cover coming down. So basically what I do, I did put the lights and I did join them here, and another electricity wire is going for the fan, and the fan 12-volt LED, and it's here. I'm going to do it later because I need to first attach this to these metal frames here. So yeah, that's the next. Now we have the front panel and we have the back panel on the place. And now I just start drilling few holes for screws. And this is how it looks now.